Ahead of the JD Cymru Premier's transition to a 16-team league in the 2026-27 season, the changes to the FAW pyramid regulations have been confirmed for the 2025-26 campaign. Relegation from the JD Cymru Premier is unchanged, with the bottom two clubs, 11th and 12th place, dropping into Tier 2 for 2026-27. In the second tier, the top three clubs, the first, second and third place finishers in the JD Cymru North and the top three clubs in the JD Cymru South in 2025-26 will be promoted to the JD Cymru Premier, subject to meeting Tier 1 licensing requirements. Should any club in the top three of the JD Cymru North or JD Cymru South fail the licence, then no team below third place will be eligible for promotion. Instead, the highest ranked sides in the JD Cymru Premier who end the season in the relegation zone will be given a reprieve from relegation. In order to significantly develop the number of Tier 1 licensed clubs, the FAW has established a grant programme designed for Tier 2 clubs to access to invest in the infrastructure of their grounds. At the bottom of the JD Cymru North and JD Cymru South, the number of relegation spots in 2025-26 will be reduced from 3 to 1 for one season only, meaning that only the 16th place club in each division will be relegated to the third tier. Promotion from the third tier isn't changed for 2025-26. The four champions of each of the Ardal Leagues will earn automatic promotion, before the two runners-up in the Ardal North Leagues meet in a playoff and the two runners-up in the Ardal South Leagues meet in a playoff. This is all subject to clubs meeting Tier 2 licensing requirements. At the bottom of the Ardal Leagues, the number of relegation spots in 2025-26 will be reduced from 3 to 2, meaning that only the 16th and 15th place clubs in each division will be relegated to the fourth tier. Promotion from Tier 4 is unchanged. Keep up to date with all the latest Welsh domestic football news on faw.cymru.